What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the stream. Today, I'm gonna try my hardest to finish some of the offline functionality in the app. I said I would prepare stuff, and of course I didn't, because why would I? But I think that we are in a pretty good spot. The key things that I want to do today is add this link right here. So add the link from the credentials list to each credential page. This link, well, from these lists, or no, not from this, from the dashboard list to, so when it says go to page, go to the credentials view that corresponds with the actual credential that we clicked on. So what I'm thinking of doing first is we got a nice Yule log in the background. I'm trying to get in the Christmas spirit. I don't know. School has been going pretty hard. I don't know if it's beneficial to my health that it's I don't know. We're 1 week away from break, but you never know. All right. So yeah, hopefully you guys are doing well. It is a nice Friday. I'm doing this a little earlier than usual just because it's the best time right now. But tomorrow I will hopefully be streaming again and seeing how much we can get done. But come next week, I'm going to be on break. So the 21st is my Christmas break starting then. So I'm going to try and stream as much as possible because, like I said, this project has to be done by the 31st. So I want to have it fully functional, add some styles, organize it all. And so yeah. So I guess let's get right into what I was talking about with the linking. So when we're trying to get from this button, so let me just run the emulator right now, just show you guys what we had where we left off on last Saturday, I believe it was. So if I go and log in, wait a minute, wait, no, this is wrong. Wait, no, it's right, but I didn't want it to start because I haven't actually run the thing. So I'm just gonna run the thing. So cd npm or expo start. Okay. Yeah, so we got the 10-hour version of the nice Yule log here. Okay. Version of your expo app is out of date. Nice. I don't think it matters because we're not running it through the expo app, whatever. I don't think it matters, whatever. Okay, so this is where we were, and I want to be able to go to the Lego page once we press on that button there. So that's this button right here. So this .go to page, and it passes in Lego. So I want to, in here, let's just make sure that there's an app, so there is a route to it right now, credentials view, and that maps to this class right here. And I think we kind of built this a little, where we just have the name. So in dashboard, I can just say, in this dashboard, and then in go to page, I can just say this props navigate to what was it called? Credentials view. Okay. And is there a way to how do I where is it? There was something about here. Was this it? I forget what, because to pass in parameters to the, here, let me navigate. I just forget how to do it. I also can't type today. Read the guides. Passing parameters. So Okay, I think it's just in a dictionary. Hold on. Yeah, it's just a dictionary. Okay. So the name is going to be name. Like so. And that should get us to the actual app. So we'll let this run. Log in. Uh-oh. Objects are not valid. You want to render. What? What? What happened here? Is it this? Oh, you know what it was? It was this being wrong. Because what this does when it gets the name, it just... What the hell? I'm combungled. I am really combungled. Hold on. Name. That's not gonna fix anything. Will it? Let's see. Nope. I wanna I don't know. 1 second. I'm gonna turn this fire off. I would like to keep it going, but I don't know. Let me see. This .go to page. Do I actually use render item? I don't, so I can actually delete these two methods right here. Okay, so this .go to page, and let me see if I just pass an item like that. Hopefully that works. Login. Hold on. It's better though, because it's not. Cannot update. Alright, where is this? Account. Oh, this is from account.js 18. Oh, dashboard, okay. I mean, let me try this right. Oh. Oh, it worked! It worked! No, it didn't. It did for a second. Wait. Oh, you know what? It's doing the stupid automatic keep. Shit. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's doing the automatic button press. I don't know why it does that. Why does it... Let me try replacing the variable with, and just put it in the state. So this dot state dot name, or called name, and then I do here this dot set, or hold on. I'm not gonna make it in a state, because if I do set state, that'll re-render it. So I'll just do this dot curve name is equal to nothing for now, and then I'll say this dot current name is equal to item, and then this dot go to page dot bind this little stupid binding crap. I don't know. do that. What happened to the terminal? Login. Oh. Oh, right, because this .state.call name is not a thing. Current name. And yay! Alright, we got it. Good. Alright, so now we have successfully added a credentials view. So what we can say is, so now we're in credentials view, and now we want to add some fields that will display the passwords. And I guess you can also edit it from here, but yeah, I guess we'll figure out how to do that right now. So let's just go, in constructor, we'll say this dot name is equal to this dot props dot navigation dot get param name, and then otherwise undefined, like that. And then we can replace this whole thing with just this dot name. And hold on. Alright, so we get the name, and now we want to get the actual data from the name. So let me get our test data that we had. So it looked like this. Oh crap. This is gonna be a bitch. Crap, because I can't like just call this dot unless I do? Well, no, I can't. Because I can't just say this dot global dot data dot name or at name, because name is in general. So I have to say, let me just test a prototype function. So this, or I'll just say get info, and I'll pass in a name, and we'll say this dot or global dot data. Is that what I have it at? Global dot data dot for each. I hope I keep forgetting if I'm doing this wrong. Global dot data dot for each. All right, and then info index. I cannot type right now. So global dot data. So for each thing, we want to say if info dot general dot name is equal. Why did I do that? It's equal to the name. Return info, or return info, right? And then I can say this dot info is equal to get info this dot name, and I'll just console.log it to make sure it works. Okay, let's hope this works. Nope. Credentials view. 13. Oh, because I don't initialize. That's right. So you need to actually pass in props to the constructor, otherwise it won't work. That's another thing. All right. Undefined, great. Let me try global.data at index. Let me try that. That's great. I'm just gonna print out some stuff here, just so I see what's actually going on here. Okay. All right. So this is global.data. Yeah. And this is the info. So when I return, let me see if this works. Or it's not gonna, once again, this won't work. It's just, I'm just debugging a bit. Lego console.log true. I don't know why this isn't yeah, it's returning the thing. What? Or maybe I should just return index and say this.info is equal to global.data at this.getInfo. Wait. Yeah, getInfo is fine. Alright, let's hope this works. Login, Lego. Undefined. Still. Console.log index. Console.log this.getInfo this.name. Alright, so index is 0. I didn't tell it to print 4 things. What did I tell? I told it to print. So it gets the index at 0, that's right. You know, let me just label these just so I know where it's printing. 16. Oh, 17. And then 23. All right, 23, 0. 23 again, 0. 16 undefined. 17 undefined. Great. Oh, because it's great. Oh, because you know why? Because it's returning index just from the lambda function. So I got to do for var I is equal to 0, I len is equal to global.data.length. I is less than len, I plus plus. If global.data at I is .general.name is equal to name, return I. And that should do it. God damn it. Alright. Let's go ahead and test this out. Alright, good. So now it has everything. 1 second. Okay, so now that we have the data here, we can get rid of these print statements. And all right, so what should we, so now we should, we want to render all the data out. So we want to do it a little bit like this structure. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to see if I can't do a linked list or a section list because this just does that. Actually, I could. Actually, I actually could. So I could make these the titles of the sections and then these the inputs. Yeah, let's do that. Wait, we should should I put the? Yeah, let's do that. I might put the fire back on. I don't know. Is this? Hold on. I'm gonna mute this site, and I'm just gonna see if this is. This is probably copyrighted. This is definitely copyrighted. Yeah, this is yeah, music is copyrighted. I want to put some, hold on. I want to put some like some nice copyright free Christmas music. No copyright music. Alright, I guess download and blah 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 blah. Alright, so I just have to put this as a thing. Alright. Okay. Listen to music from this place is called Hero Board. Alright, save. Alright, so let's play this. I don't know, I really enjoyed the I enjoyed the other music, like the Frank Sinatra stuff. That all that shit's copyrighted to hell. Hold on. There's no way that any of his music is royalty free. There's no way. I mean, I'll go on YouTube and I'll just see if there's like just. Oh, would you look at that? Hold on. Look at this. Look at this, guys. My stream is in the recommended. My stream is in the. Look, you see that? You see that? That is great job, YouTube. YouTube's algorithm is on point. All right, let's try and find something. Christmas music royalty free. Jack's Films royalty free Christmas songs. I don't know. Should I just play some other music? I want to play a soundtrack. I mean, let me play a soundtrack. I'm gonna mute this just so I don't spoil it. Hold on. I want to see if this is, yeah, this is copyrighted. Hold on. Should we listen to lo-fi hip hop beats? Music to study and relax to? All this shit is copyrighted. Let's see. Copyright free video game ST. I mean, we were listening to a bit of the Minecraft soundtrack last time. And I think that's fine, to be honest. Like, so let me just find some of that. Let's see. Okay, so back to YouTube, and we will now just do Minecraft. I cannot type today. All right, we'll play a remix. Hold on, let me unmute this. Turn it up a bit. Is it on? I can't tell if it's on. There we go. Okay. Back to the actual important stuff that we were here to. Oh shoot, I just turned off my phone. Is it? Hold on. Alright, never mind, it's good. Never mind. We're all good. Okay. So, what did we just do? We just got all the data. Alright, good. So now, we want to be able to display that data. So, let's go ahead and we'll have to import a linked list. No, not a linked, god damn it. Section list. To put this stuff on. And I'm actually just gonna copy what we have so far right here. Because I'm too lazy to put in more. So that'll be in credentials view. Okay. Alright. So I'll also have to go. So get info and then parse info. List.parse info. So what we can actually say is we can add a state variable. We'll add a state variable that'll just say so. Let's say from up here, so this dot set or this dot state is equal to, and then ready false. Not that. No, that's right. Alright, so it's not ready until we have parsed it. So at the end of parsing info, we'll say this dot set state, and then ready is true. So in the render function, we'll say if this.state.ready will return this, otherwise we'll just return our progress bar. Else return our view. And is there a progress bar somewhere that? Hold on. Let me get the terminal back up first. And then React native progress bar. Is progress bar Android? Is there something that is just cross-platform? I'll just say, how about this? I will just say, if it's not ready, we'll just return a text saying loading. Hold on. This got all misaligned. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright. So in parse info, what we want to do is we want to take all of this stuff right here and load it into a section list. So it's of the form. What was it? Like I have, what was it? So it's just title and data. So it has to be, it's going to be a list of stuff that's just title and then data. And data is an array. Like that. Uh-oh, I think someone's coming into my house. Because my dog's getting all excited. We can actually just stop the app for now. Is my dog? Yeah, someone got home. Hold on, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, and yeah, I just had to say hi to someone. Alright, so we want to be able to parse all this stuff into a format that looks like that. Okay, so the way I'm thinking about going about this is we'll say this dot, or we'll say let data equal to nothing for now. And we'll actually pass it in to the state here. Because we'll say sections is equal. Oh wait, no. We'll say we actually don't need the if this state is ready because we. Oh yeah. Okay. We'll do it like we did with the desktop or the dashboard. So that doesn't go there. This doesn't go there. There's no state variable. That's not there, and none of this is here. So the only thing we'll have in render is just just the view for now. Because it's just gonna return. We'll just go return data at the end. Okay. So. Let's look at this. Okay. So we have, this is what is parsed currently into this .info. So this .info is equal to this body right here. And I keep forgetting how to freaking parse through a dictionary. Is it somewhere here? It's just info index. Index is a number. Yeah, I keep forgetting how to parse their dictionary. God damn it. Alright, so let's just do this, I guess. So, for var key in this.info, we need to see if this.info.has own property a key. So right now we're just getting the key. So the key is going to be general and account for now. What's up with my computer? So something's wrong. I don't know. Whatever. It just, and before it just crashes. That would be great. Oh god. Alright, so for key and info, and we want to say if this.info.has own property at key, we want to go ahead and say let section equal to nothing to an empty dictionary, or a dictionary right now, where title is key for now, and data is equal to an empty list. Okay, so now we want to iterate through this dictionary as well. So we want to say for var property in this.info at key, because that will point to this dictionary here. We want to say that if this.info at key dot has own property, so that means we're going to get the key and the text. So data is going to be I guess what we can do is just make data just a list of a list of pairs, where pairs are just an array of index 2. So we'll say let pair equal to key, and then this.info, no, not key, property, and this.info at key at property, like so. And then this section.data.push pair. And then at the end we can just say console.log data, just to make sure everything was parsed properly. Alright, so let's just rerun this on Expo Start Android. Oh, shoot. Is it gonna do it? A. There we go. Alright, so log in. Lego. Oh, great. Oh, because I never actually data.push section. That's why. Alright, so I don't really care about that right now. But we have data array. So data is going to be... Hold on. Alright, so we have title general. And it's going to be name Lego. That's fine. And then we have account. Alright, so that's parsed properly. Good. There, that is parsed properly. Now for the error, undefined sound object is .goToPage.bind. What is undefined? Credentials 72. Oh, yeah, that's just this. So that's fine. Because we haven't actually programmed anything here. So what we can do is we'll now just say, so we'll go ahead and say text. So once we've parsed all the data, which is good here, we actually need to render the data. So we'll go ahead and say text, and it's going to be, and we'll just set the key so it doesn't freak out. And we'll go to index as the key. Actually, we'll make it text, and then interpolate the key just so it doesn't freak out any further. So text, and it'll be, okay, so item is now a 2-item array. So we want to do item at 0. So hopefully that works, and then we'll do a text input. We actually need to import that as well. We actually have. So a text input key is going to equal, it's just going to be input, and we'll do same kind of key styling. I need to actually just hold on. Text input style placeholder. Placeholder is fine. And then we have to just set the value. So text input is there. Wait, no, I did this wrong. I did this completely wrong. Placeholder is equal to item at 0. And value is equal to item at 1. We will add editing capabilities later on, but let's just get this through for now. What happened? Why can I not? Why can't I see? I didn't do anything. Alright, so we're freaking out there again. Alright. Okay. Alright, so this is syntactical. That's fine. JSON. Oh, yeah, it just has to be a view. That's fine. So we just have to wrap the text and the text input in a view. That's fine. Goddamn, my dog didn't stop barking. Ugh. Alright, let's hope this works. Login, Lego. Oh, it works. Nice. Nice. Alright, so and those text inputs are fine for now. Okay, so that is fine for now. And then I think that's, is that it for the, well, we still have to add an editing, but should we? Can we? I don't know if I want to right now. Not really in the mood to do that. Alright, so I kind of learned this from the last couple streams that I've been trying to take too big leaps, like too big of a leap every time. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm just going to try and get shit on the screen and like it working, and then we can fine tune, add higher level functionality, that stuff after. So we can save the editing stuff for another stream. But today I just want to start with some of the actual online functions. So the whole purpose of this project is not just to be your simple old password vault where you just store passwords on your phone. I want to be able to allow you to send the passwords and stuff to your computer through a website. Well, a website will connect to this application via web server and AJAX requests, where you can then copy and paste it into password forms online. So I'm gonna kind of draw out what I think I want this to look like. So let me just kind of move my keyboard, and I gotta get the drawing tablet out. Second time in a row with the drawing tablet. Okay. So, let's plug this in. And I'll open... What do I want to open? I'll open some paint. Or no, I don't want paint. I'll do OneNote. Yeah, OneNote's easier. Oh yeah, remember this? Okay. So I'm gonna leave this here actually. No, I don't want this. So we don't need that for now. Alright, so I was thinking about it like this. So we have the phone over here, and then we have the website, which will be some simple website that'll just be able to display information and whatever. So website and phone. So I want to have the phone's first functionality has to be go online, and that will return an IP address and port. So I want it'll be something like 192.1. whatever 2.73. So that's the local address of your phone, and you can actually access this on your Wi-Fi. This isn't I don't know how to do this across mobile data, but you can access this IP across your Wi-Fi. And then I'll do colon. Let's do 720 for now. So that'll be that, and then on the website, it'll have a connect function where your input is the address. And this will also return a key or a passcode. So you input the address, whatever it is, and passcode. So the passcode will be stored on the app as a global variable, and it will never be never be transmitted across the internet, nor will your password that you use to encrypt the data on your phone. So this passcode stays here, and you just have to know that to be able to transfer it. So passcode there. And then this sends a HTTP get an HTTP request, and this will respond with connect request. This function it'll validate the passcode, and your other stuff there. And once it validates the passcode, it will add device to list. Alright, so and now the device is connected. And in order to actually get this stuff, the website will do a info request. And that's going to be another HTTP request. And this will be info request over here. And the connect request will also return true or false, depending on if the credentials are proper. So info request, this will ensure device on list. And these are the same lists here. And then it will send back an encrypted password. Well, actually, wait. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, I'm kind of thinking about this differently now. Because, alright, so the server can't just send stuff because the website is static. It's on a web app. So the website has to be the one sending a request. So, you know what we can do? We can just have it send anything. It can just send a blank request, and it will, and the phone will, and the user on the phone will have to send back user's choice of info. So we'll have a button like on the credentials view. Here, we can actually just stop this for now. On the credentials view, we can have a button saying post to website. Let me just actually just exit out of this. So user choice of info from phone. So this will send back an HTTP response. And this is encrypted, remember, so this is encrypted. So get response. So get info here. So you can, alright, sorry, I'm bugging right now. So you can get the info, and then you'll have to input a password. And the password is the same one that you set. So for ours, it's just the 16 A's. So the phone has the hashed password, and the user has to know that password, and will decrypt the info with the password. And then display the info. So the password is never going to be transmitted at all. I misspelled password. But yeah, the password will never be transmitted across any sort of online communications. The password just has to be known by the user, and that's it. So the person will get back. So let's say I visited this site on Chrome. I connected to the phone. I just pressed a button to request info. That will just send an HTTP request telling the phone that it's ready for info to be sent back. And then the user will press the info that it wants to send back. And then the website will get the info. It will input, and the user will have to input the password it will decrypt that password there, and then it won't display it. Sorry, it's not going to display the password because that would be kind of besides the point. Allow copy of password, so that there will be a button that will allow you to copy the password to the cloud. Alright, so that is kind of how I envisioned this moving along for now. Alright, so we're good there. This is dry hands. Nice. Did we get through Sweden already? Oh, we did. God damn it. I didn't even know. But it's still very peaceful. All boss themes for Undertale. That is definitely copyrighted. Okay. Alright, so let's go back to the text editor and we'll start to actually do some of this. So, I'm gonna go back into the folders here. So I'm in my base folder, so in Password Vault. just the project directory. Back to. Oh god, like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a directory, website. And in website, I feel like I'm gonna have to, because the way I know how to do the website is to do it through a GitHub Pages, but maybe I don't have to make a folder for the web, or maybe, no, I'll get rid of this folder here, move the recycle bin, and I'll just create an index.html. So touch index.html. Touch is not a thing, really? All right, so echo index.html. Okay. So we'll do doc, and we'll do password vault online client. So we can just leave that there for now. But this is where we'll end up just creating. It'll be a pretty simple site, I think. We can actually go ahead and just take the because we'll have to do the decryption, so we can actually just take that file from utils. So in index.html we can say in the body tag script src is equal to mobile /password vault /utils visionaire cipher. So that will give us the encryption and decryption capabilities that we need. And then we can also just do an index.js for the other functionality. Alright, so in the index.js, that's that for now. And then in index.html, we'll just include that as well. Index.js. So yeah, the reason why I'm putting this in the base directory is because when I'm gonna host this on GitHub Pages, it'll only look for index.html in the base directory, so that's fine for now. But yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna do the first thing, and we're gonna add the online. So we're going to add the function to go online. So that will likely be in the dashboard. Do I want to do that? Alright, yeah, I'll just put that in the dashboard for now. So, oh, I can actually do the easy grid. Is that don't I have that from somewhere? Import from React Native Easy Grid. Do I actually don't need... I can install that later if I need it. I don't need that right now. CD... I'm just going to uninstall that package right now. npm remove React Native Easy. But I am going to have to look back on some React Native documentation. Okay, we're out with Flexbox. Okay. So we can do this. So in the dashboard, we'll have a view at the top that will contain the two buttons. So view, and the style is going to be display, flex, and display, flex, direction, row. And in it we'll have the button. That'll be a nav button, and we can actually just... Styles.js, I'm just actually add that style. What is the one, like it's the, not the stretch. Width and height. Alright, flex dimensions. Alright, so just flex 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Alright. So it'll just be so, yeah. So nav button will just have a flex of 1. So it can be, so each can be half width. So style is equal to styles.nav button. And then on press is equal to nothing for now, or no parameters passed in, and then we'll do this dot. We'll just create a function called go online. This dot go online dot bind this, that stupid little rule, and then title will be equal to go online. And we can actually just say styles dot, because we can add colors to these buttons, so online button, and then we'll also just do add button. So what's a nice color for, so for add button, I guess we can do background color, and we'll just do a nice green. So let me actually get a color picker in here. I know there's a good one. So I know there's a good one somewhere. I'll just do this one for now. It's fine. I want to get a nice green that's like not too green, but like it's a nice little. God damn it. That's nice. Alright, 33cc33. Hashtag 33cc33. And the online button, I guess we can just do a nice little blue here. Let's do, well, oh, that's nice. 3399FF. Hashtag 3399FF. Is that right? Yeah. So the online button will just be online button, or actually we need to do the list now because right? Wait, did I do that? Yeah. Styles dot add button. Okay. So let's actually just go ahead and rerun this on the phone. Next go start. And this should work, hopefully. Still need to fix that. Oh, great. Oh, yeah. Because I freaking deleted the project. Failed build. Do I have to restart it, I guess? I guess I did need a primary view, because, I don't know. I think this is pretty good. Yeah, it's not looking too good. It's not. Yeah, I think it's. I think it's stretch. guess we could just make it into a view and do something like... Where is it? Where? Dashboard. Yeah, I guess we could do a little view. Yeah, that'd be fine. So we'll get rid of the nav button style on the buttons. Or no, we want to keep those. And we'll do a nav button container. See that ingenuity right there? And we'll do flex one like that. Alright, so we'll do a view and style is equal to styles.navButtonContainer. I just want to copy that so I can go twice. And then I'll put the buttons in their respective views. Alright, hopefully this works. It's still not working. That is unfortunate, but do I care enough? Wait, hold on. It's not even getting a background color properly. Hold on. Hold the phone. Oh, okay, so we got that proper. Now, touches. Hold the phone. This? Why is that purple? There's no colors down there. There are actually no colors. It doesn't set any color. What the heck is this? Alright, let me React native button back. Which is color. I got that. And just throw these colors in here, and then we can actually just get rid of the styles there. Those classes and the buttons themselves. Alright, so this should work. Nice. Look at that. I want to get a different blue though, because that's too similar to the I need to hold on. I need to find. I need to find my because I have a good site for this. Hold on. I have a quality site for this. Here we go. Ready? It's there. HTMLcolorcodes.com. It's a great site. You know, that's honestly looking like a nice color right there. FF5733. I'm looking. Did I just call it a clone number? Did I just call it a clone number? FF5733. CT5555. Clone Trooper. That's playing with my eyes, but you know that's what an app has to do. It has to play with your eyes. Okay. And I will leave that for now. Okay. So that looks nice. Okay. Doing well on time. Alright, so the next thing I want to do right now is just get it connected to the web server, and then I'm done. Because that's I'm probably underestimating how much time this is gonna take. But I need my I'm gonna stop this for now because I know this is gonna take a bit. Okay. So I'll actually just do this and I'll get rid of that. Save that. Okay. So I want to go to guides and then where is the networking? Because I know there was one. There was somewhere here. We did it, didn't we? Networking. There it is. We did this in the tutorial in one of the tutorials. So it's on the fetch. We want to start. So we want to start a web server. Okay. Oh, I see how. Wait, no, that's just a request. Okay, here we go. Okay, so global.ws, we'll make it a global variable is equal to new WebSocket, and I need to get a local URL. Hold on. React Native get local, or not URL, local IP address. React Native network info. Okay. Local. Hold on, let me see. IP client address with JavaScript. That's not a thing. Oh wait, yeah, we can't even use Windows, so that sucks. Oh, that sucks. Alright, so there's alright, so we'll have to install a package. So npm install React Native Network. Let me just look at the documentation before I install a virus. So now we can say, nope, not delete that. We want to do import network info from React-Native-Network info, like so, and then go down to go online, and we want to say network info dot get IP address dot then IP address will be passing as a lambda parameter to that, and we'll do a console log IP address. I actually need to restart everything because I closed it, and then we'll start the WebSocket at the IP address global.ip is equal to IP address. Address and colon 5500. No, not 5500. We'll do 8020 because why not? do alert web connection open, and then we'll actually have to display the passcode. So \n, your passcode is. So we'll generate passcode, and then we'll notify. So get the IP address, start web server, and then we'll have to generate a passcode. So that'll just get a random number. Of course, I don't know how to get a random number. JavaScript, just math.random. Passcode is equal to, we'll do it between the 4 digits, so between 1000 and 9999. So math on the floor, I'll do math random. We'll multiply it by 900, because the difference between 9. Wait a minute. No, I'm 8999, and then plus 1000, and then we just want to. And then we'll just alert that as well. And then we can actually just, we have to display that somewhere. Oh, and then we'll have to, and you know what we can do? We can just set the state with the passcode. So this dot set state, is there state anywhere? Ooh, sheesh. Hopefully this works. Online true. And online will by default be false. Okay, so your passcode is global.pw. And that has to be a string interpolation thing, otherwise it won't work. And now I can just restart the application. Okay, so expo start Android. Okay, minimize that. That's the issue. I don't know why. It is great. Wonderful. So why does the blind work sometimes? So before I continue here, I'm going to worry about this error after. I'm just going to go ahead and set this button to be conditional. And just if we're online, then we want to have a go online button. Otherwise, just go offline button. So that so if this dot state dot online is there a reason why this isn't? Let's see. JSX if state. Oh, so it's just. Oh, see, we don't need these. That's fine. Else, we'll do. No, not a cut. I'll paste this and go offline. We'll make that a new function. Offline button, the red, and we'll make the online button. What a nice. That's looking nice. 33C F F like that. Okay, let's see how this works. Doing it right? Oh, you can't do there. It has to be outside. I'm an idiot. Let CNXN. So connection. I'm just gonna create a variable for the button, just so we can just render that. CNXN button is equal to that, and then right here we'll just display the connection button. All right, that should work. Log in. Okay. Wait, it's saying it's online right now. What? Online is false. Console.log this.state.online. Oh, because I'm an idiot and I freaking reversed them. No, why? God damn, I can't hold myself to do anything. I freaking had it so when online was set to true, you can go online again. Just don't listen. Just don't listen to me. I wouldn't recommend it. Alright, go online. Okay. So that's fine. Alright, so it cannot get the IP address. Wonderful. Because I didn't do it as a save. Wonderful. Let me just add a new one. npm remove react-native-network info. And then npm install react-native-network info dash save. I don't know what this dash save means. I really don't. Alright, let me reload. And still getting problems. I mean, let's do this. React dash native dash network info. Okay, let's just reload the one. Maybe that will do it. I probably had to restart the project, to be honest. Wait, what am I doing? Alright, I guess that's fine. Google Play can update my apps. Okay. Log in. Go online. Wonderful. Okay. Alright, so let me just try to see if there's another way. So React or Expo React native get local IP address. Okay, that's what I was doing. No, I don't want to do public IP addresses because I don't want this to be public. That's the thing. Because then you would have to do port forwarding and all that stuff. It's not really looking to it. I'm not looking to do that. It said something about IP address. Nope. That's not it. Well, I'm doing this all right. See, here I was saying that this was going to go. That's whatever. I want to play that help theme, but Disney's gonna shoot me, so can't do that. I predicted last Saturday, I would be exhausted. But I am doing it earlier, so it's I guess I can just search this. Oh, you know, it's probably the stupid native modules bullshit. Yeah, it's that. Alright, so I need an expo package. It definitely is. I'll figure this out because tomorrow I actually have to go do something right now, but I'll figure this out by tomorrow, and we'll get a lot more progress done. Because I just don't want to sit here just doing nothing. Because that's gonna be boring for both you and me. So I will see you guys. Thank you so much to the millions of people and the billions of people that are watching right now. Hold on. Thank you so much to the whole world that is watching. So I will. Oh, I'm most likely gonna stream tomorrow night. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I'm able to get this WebSocket stuff, or just the IP address stuff fixed. Hopefully I can, because if I can't, that's gonna that's gonna get rid of the whole purpose, or defeat the whole purpose of the application. So I'll see you guys. You know what? I'll see you whenever. All right. Bye.